Hello my friends, today we're gonna redesign this dress and I'll show you how. So last year I made this dress for my daughter. She wanted to wear this year too, but it's a little too short, so we want to make sure we're gonna add a little ruffle on the bottom, that way to make it a little longer than it is. So let's see. So now I folded in half the fabric. So the bottom of the skirt I measure it's 28 inches. So now 28 inches we are dividing by 6.24 and we are it's 4.5. So this is the amount how much we have to cut the circle, and let's start from there. So 4.5, it's right here. I'm gonna add a pin so the fabric wouldn't move too much, just to make sure everything is together. Okay, so 4.5, 4.5, 4.5. Okay, so this is kind of, I know it's very hard to see it, but you know, for yourself you can kind of like, if you want, you are welcome to pin it, that way you can exactly see where is the line. And then we're gonna measure the length of the ruffle. So I measured, I needed like 5.5. That should be just enough for us to, and measure from the first line to the edge, and that's 5.5. And we have to measure all around. The lines, it's hard to see the chalk. Okay, so now when we're gonna cut 1/2 inch from the edge and only 1/4 from this edge line. So I'm gonna cut 1/4 from the line. Perfect. And 1/2 inch. It doesn't have to be perfect because we're gonna search all and then we're gonna cut. So our detail is ready. We need one more of these. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take another piece of fabric, fold it in half, and then this one you can just make sure the folding line is that folded part, and we can just copy this part. You are welcome just to pin it together just like that. Okay, and now we're just gonna cut the second detail. So our details are ready. Okay, and now these details, make sure you know where is the front and the back side. So this is the front side. Okay, so wrong side and wrong side. Now we have to sew the edges first. You just need to search them together like 1/4, and exactly same on other side as well. Alright, let's finish this detail and we'll go next. Now we're gonna search the edges first. Alright, so we sew both seams. Now we're just gonna search all around the edge, all around the outside edge. So this is gonna be our hem. When you search, make sure you start from one side and go to other one. Okay, so now we're gonna finish the edge. So we're gonna fold probably like a little more than a quarter, and we're gonna do a top stitch. If you have line, you can follow the line. If you have a magnet, then you can add a magnet. So after finishing the hem, make sure you press it very well so it looks flat and nice. So first what I do, I pin the skirt like kind of like at the same level, and because of like a little extra length I added 2 little pleats on the sides, symmetrical, so that way it looks more, you know, structured and styled. So this is kind of like what it's gonna look like, and this is the back side. I added up also like 2 pleats right here. I'm gonna make sure the pleats are the same, and then gonna sew it together and we'll see the results. Alright, so here is the whole dress, and this is the finished ruffles, and this is how it looks at the end. So recycle the fabric and redesign the dresses. Thank you!